I'm Namritha. Most people know me as someone who's always smiling and full of joy. But there was a time when I wasn't feeling like myself. A dental issue that became a constant source of discomfort. My pain was intensifying and at times it became unbearable. And then a dear friend, she strongly recommended this place because she felt like it wasn't just about treatment, it was about rediscovering your bright smile and regaining your joyful spirit. When I first entered Xpressions Dental Hospital, they were really welcoming and knew so much. The team at the hospital really listened to what I had to say about my issues. And after a thorough checkup, they shared something really surprising. What impressed me at Xpressions Dental Hospital is that they cared most about what's best for me. And they suggested that I preserve my natural teeth by going for simple procedures rather than complicated ones that you may not necessarily require. And I felt very safe here. Now, on my second visit, I can really notice the difference. There's no pain anymore and I'm not stressed. I can smile and be happy with my friends again, feeling more confident. And so, with a heart full of gratitude and a smile, I share my journey with you. Xpressions Dental Hospital, where care goes beyond treatment, touching lives, restoring smiles.